If I had a pricing, for example, key page views, I might just put like a very low value, like $1, $2 or something. It's just, it's more valuable than just visiting the main website. They intentionally navigated over to a page that should show that they were a little more interested. So those I give a very low value. For the main actions I want to track, like form submissions or free signups, I usually do a last and an each conversion, and then I add values to those. So the each, which would be each campaign that they touched before converting, I give that a lower value. So like the each for call bookings for us, I give like a $10 value. And then the last touch, last campaign conversion, which is the last touch that they interacted with before converting, I give that one like $150 for a call booking for us. And the each was like $10. And then for purchases for us, you would have a last touch each conversion and a last touch last. And the last one, I would probably, like if it was, yeah, I guess we don't have that here. But for each of these, I guess I would just estimate like what that value is. There's not going to be a great way to guesstimation on your end.
And is the reason that you do that so then we can feed more detailed information to the LinkedIn algorithm as to which conversion actions are more important than others?
Yeah, it's going to help you optimize. So as you have this set up, you're going to start seeing all these conversion events, and then you can look in the dashboard and you can separate it to see all the different kinds of events. But ultimately, if you can associate a value with that at a glance, it's easier to spot when even a campaign with less conversion events, but is bringing in more valuable actions, needs more attention versus just looking at the overall number of conversion events. Because one campaign might be getting tons of people looking at the pricing page, but this other campaign's actually getting people to book calls and book meetings. So it's getting less conversion events, but more meaningful. So being able to make decisions based on the impact of the ads, I think is important for optimizing.